everybody, we see the light at the end of the tunnel. We are finalizing this small, modern, high-tech bathroom remodel. We will finish the tile, grout everything, seal everything, install the trim kit, the shower head for our push button mixing valve, set up the digital thermostat for the heated floors, install our beautiful touchscreen wall-mounted lighted LED medicine cabinets, which are fantastic if you need extra storage and extra ambient light. Ladies and gentlemen, let's wrap this high-tech bathroom remodel up, and I'll show you before and after pictures, and there's gonna be a big difference. Let's go.
Flashback.
All right, we're gonna miter this tile for the face, top, and inside of the curb. Alright guys, happy Thursday. Today is going to be our grout party day. Super easy grout job. Large format on the walls, large format on the floor and shower pan. Obviously we'll have a different color grout for the floor as to the walls. Prism will be the grout. We have a nice color that will make these grout joints disappear. It's gonna look really good. Bench looks really nice. Niche looks really nice. We're really happy how this turned out. We have our push button mixing valve right here. Trim kit will be installed after we seal all of the grout. Shower head will be installed as well. So let's get to work, have ourselves a grout party, go enjoy a nice lunch, come back, and then polish everything out and seal the grout. Here we go. All right, guys, everything is looking good. The cabinet is installed. We will have the countertop guy come in about a couple of days to install their custom top wall-to-wall. We're installing a very fancy Alpha toilet with a bidet. We have the plug ready for it here. The shower is all polished up. We need to seal all of our grout joints, install our trim kit as well. Everything is looking really good, really clean. We're gonna install this toilet and that is it for today.